To change the Air Command menu style to compact on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Tap S Pen. Next, tap Air Command. And then under Menu Style section, select Compact. To see the result, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. As you can see, the Air Command menu is now appear smaller and more streamlined format. Given to the function, switching to the compact Air menu can help you keep your screen less cluttered while maintaining quick access to essential S Pen tools. The sleek and efficient layout allows for more streamlined experience, making it easier to navigate and use the Air Command menu feature without distraction. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.